Hey, Freedom Stackers. Freedom Stacker here. Well, it's week 1 of the $1 weekly ascending challenge. Hey, Freedom Stackers. Hey, Freedom Stackers. Freedom Stacker here. Let me start by saying I'm not a financial advisor. Do not take anything that I say in this video or any of my other videos as financial advice. This is what I'm doing. This is what I am inviting you to join me in doing, so that we can all save more of our money. Well, you made it. It's week 1 of the $1 weekly ascending challenge. And you've made it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, and this is your first video that you're seeing on this topic, go back and check out this playlist from the beginning, because this is a step-by-step weekly walkthrough to be able to save $1,378 in a year's time. And you can't say it can't be done because we did it last year. Whether you decide to save your money in an envelope or a shoebox, or me myself, I save mine in my Acorns account. If you don't already have an Acorns account and you'd like to open one, go ahead and use the code in any of my videos. That way it'll know that you came from me, and you'll get $5 and I'll get $5 added to my account for free. Hey, Freedom Stackers. Freedom Stacker here. Well, it's week 1 of the $1 weekly ascending challenge. So this week we're going to be adding $1 in order to be able to reach our goal at the end of the year to be able to save $1,378. So we'll make a one-time deposit. With Acorns, the lowest amount that you can deposit is $5. So we'll go ahead and make a $5 deposit, and we'll invest. Confirm. And got it. All right. Week 1 is in the books. If you want to look to see what $1,378 could look like, check this out. Only you can make your stacking goals your stacking realities. For more stacking and collecting fun like this, check out this playlist. Hit that thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do. Hit that bell. That way you'll know when my new videos come out. Hit me up through email, on Facebook or Instagram, link in my About page. And as always, keep stacking, and I'll see you in the next one.